Alright, well, today we have a 98 Ford Explorer. The passenger side windshield wiper stopped working, so we're going to go ahead and see what's going on. So first thing you do, obviously you're going to remove the wipers. In order to do so, you're going to have to pick them up into this position. And once you do so, there's this tab right here on the bottom that you have to press like this, or just pull forward and just pick it right up. Let's see if I can just do a little example. So as you can see, it's like this. Just pick the tab up, pull straight out. Once you do that, you will need a Phillip head to remove a Phillip screw located on the driver's side panel. It's right here in the middle, right next to the passenger side wiper motor position or control. Once you remove that, it's simple enough, it's just popping tabs out. As you can see, be careful with the wiper fluid hose. So as you can see here, there are the control arms for the wipers. And for this car, as you can see, that one has fallen off, so we're gonna go ahead and repair that. So it's a little quick video on how to get into this area. As I found out, you can't really, there's no video showing so. So thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, more videos to come.